It's a parking garage playset. Let's see what's behind the blue door. It's a yellow excavator. Vroom, vroom. Let's park the excavator. One. Let's see what's next. It's a backhoe. Vroom, vroom. This one's yellow too, with black wheels. Let's park this backhoe next to the excavator. We have 1, 2. Let's see what's next. Vroom, vroom, vroom. It's a wheel loader, and this one is yellow too. Let's park it with the other construction vehicles. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 construction vehicles. It's time for the construction vehicles to go to work. Let's get them out of the garage. Vroom. Oh, we have to open the bar. Vroom. Here's the excavator. Vroom. And here's the backhoe. And the wheel loader. I think we have to fill it with gas before it goes to work. And there's a gas station on the side. Let's get in line for the gasoline. First we got the excavator. And the backhoe. And last we have the wheel loader. Okay, now that's full of gas, we can go and work at the construction site. Here we go. Here goes the backhoe and the wheel loader and the excavator. I hope you enjoyed this video of the service parking garage and the 3 construction vehicles. We have the backhoe, wheel loader, and the excavator. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. This vehicle has 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces. Let's see if we can put it together. It's a red car. Vroom, 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 vroom. It's a great looking car. Bye-bye, car. This next vehicle has 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. Let's put it together. Look, it's a blue police car. How cute! Bye-bye, police car. This vehicle has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. Let's put it together. loader. Vroom, 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 vroom. Okay, bye-bye truck. This vehicle has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. Let's put it together. Uh-oh, something doesn't look right. Let's try again. Look, it's a police car. Bye-bye, police car. This vehicle has 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts. Let's put it together. Uh-oh, that doesn't look right. Let's try again. Look, it's an ambulance. Bye-bye, ambulance. This last vehicle has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts. Let's put it together. Uh-oh, this doesn't look right. Let's try again. Look, it's a fire truck. Bye-bye, fire truck. How many vehicles do we have all together? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vehicles. Well, that was so much fun building all these 6 vehicles. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.